how to join that, how to collect the business page we created earlier to our business manager ad account. And how did I get to this place? I just type business.facebook.com. Let me put out my notebook so that whatever I'm saying I can be typing it also. Alright, I only type business.facebook.com. Alright, let me leave it like that. So that is the URL that took me to this place. The .com here is not there. Okay. Alright, and I told you earlier that if your Facebook account is opened on that browser, that wants to type business.facebook.com, it will automatically bring you to this home page. Is it how the home page looks like? Oh, wow. Let me just go back. So business.facebook.com will bring me to the home page right here. Okay, this is how the page is going to look. The page, yeah, is going to look like. So I click on All Tools. I click on All Tools, and I will click on Ad Manager. If your own does not display like this, there is no problem. Nothing wrong with your account. Just use this ruler like this and scroll down. You will see the ad account. Once you scroll down, just don't leave the ruler. Use the same just to move over to Ad Managers. But mine is displaying correctly, but there's no problem if yours is not displaying like this. If it's only single row, so I click on Ad Manager. I want to collect that business page that we create. This one that is loading here is my personal Facebook page. You might come up with like that on your own also. I've changed the account I'm using. I discovered that that one was restricted then, so I won't be able to collect it. So I've changed to one of my other accounts again, but it's still the same process. So I will click on this All Tools and go to Business Settings. All Tools and Business Settings. All right. Okay, let me. All right, it's working around right now. So I will go to all pages. Click on pages. Yours might not have this business ad account. I have one business ad account on this one before. Yours might not have it. My CBA, that's your normal profile name. There is no problem with that. We are going to go through everything together. So click on pages. Click on add. Since you have created that page on your business profile, you will click on add in this case. But maybe someone wants you to run ad for them and they have existing page already that they want you to just collect to your own business manager and run ad for them. You click on request to a page. By now you have asked for their name, the name of that page, so you can put it there. And the one we did from the profile, we can create the page afresh here also. Exactly. Since I have one on this account before, I will just click on add a page, and it's asking for the name. So the name we use then is combo. Okay, I told you that I've changed some things there, so this is it. Combo bundle. We will see. It will bring out the bundle. This was the one that I created. But no while this is the one I want to use now. So we click on it. So I haven't done that. We click on add page. I'm still going to remove it before after this part because I remove it. So I've added that page, which means I can use the page now to run ad on my business ad account. Hope you are getting it. All right, the next thing that you have to do is to go straight to under ad account. So In your own case, you may not have anyone here. If you have not created it before, you won't have anyone here. So you have to click on this add button here. You click on add. Now you can see my own is showing that my own ad account, I can't create more than this one. Why? Because I have one here already, and I just opened this account, I think this month or thereabout. I think that I've been using it over time. By now they should have given me opportunity to pay like 2 or 3. My previous account that they was registered, they, how do I call it, okay, I have opportunity to create more than 5 other accounts on that one because I've been using it over time. So on your in your case, if you don't have anyone, you are not going to click on add account. This ad account is like you are requesting for someone's ad account also to manage on your own business profile. Maybe you are running an agency, they have ad accounts, and you just want to bring into your own and start using it here without testing yourself logging into their account all the time or something like that. So you will click on add an ad account. Sorry. That means you have this one already. You have this account already with this profile, so you can just click on add account. Why request is the one that I supposed to explain previously, that you just want to get permission to be using their account, so you click on request. But this is the one I supposed to click on now as a fresh account. So I supposed to click on create a new ad account. I won't be able to do that because I'm limited with just one ad account for now. Exactly. So what we see there is that once we click on this create a new ad account, it will ask you for the name that you want that ad account to bear. You can see the one that this one bears. Is it buyer? Nobody sees this one. It's not like your page, just for you to identify the account, so nobody is seeing it. Immediately you input the name that you want the ad account to bear, then you click on add new. You click on create. So immediately you click on that create, then it will take you to a platform that will ask that is the ad account, is it for you or for someone else. Then you click on that is for your business. So immediately it will take you to a platform that it will ask you to assign people and what they should do on the account. So immediately you will add yourself, because it will bring out, it's only your name that will bring out, and will be able to select all what it will, just on all the buttons there, that you will manage the account, you will review the account, you will report the account, you will run ad for the account, and you'll be able to fund the account just on it. It's always by the right side here, just on everything. From there, just click on it. It might take you to payment gateway. From there, just choose naira. Though some people are using dollar, if you have means of paying in dollar, you can choose dollar, but choose naira. And not only that, for the time zone, I think that one will come before the currency. The time zone will come before the currency. I'm sorry that I could not show you everything here now. I would have loved to do so. So the time zone will come before currency. So choose Africa Lagos. Look for it. It's always somehow difficult at times to see, but just look for Africa Lagos. That is the time zone. After that, the currency, look for Nigeria naira. If you have means of paying in dollar, you can use US dollar as well, but I will advise that you use Nigeria dollar. And once you've done all those stuff, and the one that I said that they will ask maybe people that will have access to that page and the rest. Once you've done that, click on create, and they will take you to payment gateway. Just use pay with a PayStar. Exactly. I will still show that one during this place. I will still show the normal. You can cancel once you create the account. That is the major thing for you to do. All right, that is the major thing for you to do. What else can we do here? Okay, you can come to data source, or maybe I should leave this one for another section so that I won't bombard this class so much. So that is how to create your business ad account and collect your business page to your business manager. Is that clear? All right, I will end it here. I will start the next class with PZ and how to brand safety and brand safety. I will join the two classes together. Is it classes or anyway? I don't know how I call it. Huh? I will join the two together in our next class. See you there.